things, and this is which is available on special prices. The quality is amazing quality, guys. You can see is not just the normal. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe right now. You'll be get the good prices on this YouTube channel, Hero Wedding Deco, guys. Or if you already subscribed, thank you for that. You'll get the good prices on this YouTube channel, guys. So today I just available the candle, which is the past candle and which is the my customer like too much, so I didn't upload the video. So I was thinking to upload the video for you guys, and it's amazing candle is available, guys, and we'll give you the special price and amazing price, guys. One things I'm telling you guys, when I'm upload the video, guys, and you can just, if you need it, guys, you can WhatsApp me on that time, because we not sure 1 week or 3 days the price will be the same or not same, because the price is all time is not the same, guys. Every time the price is up and down, up and down. So this is the very important things which is I'm telling you. So not that please, if you upload a video, if you need it, then you can WhatsApp me on same time. Okay guys, so this is the candle which is I was talking to you guys. Is amazing candle, candle holder, and I got also candle which is you can see. So I'll give you the prices for all things, and this is which is available on special prices. The quality is amazing quality, guys. You can see is not just the normal one, is from the China and is the nice quality. If you need, I got also the cheaper quality. I'll show you that one. If you need that one, also let me know, guys. I say just check out the 401. Check out that one, the nice one. Check this side, not this one. This one. Only this one. Okay, check out. So this is the 3 pieces. You can see the quality is amazing, guys. You can also check the quality is so beautiful. And look this one. So one small, medium and long size. These 3 pieces coming, which is the different size. If you need the black color, guys, also available. If you need a black or you need any color, they sorry, only black and gold is coming. So if you need it, they also available. This is the 3 pieces. Wait a sec. This 3 pieces which is available for 200 rand on 3 pieces, guys. If you need the black or if you need the gold color, let me know in the comments, guys. It's available. This one is the candle. Each candle we selling 50 rand. Is the gold shining one, will give to you for my YouTube families 45 rand each candle. So if you need it, also let me know. You can take a picture and send me on WhatsApp, or you can send me the message on Instagram. This is for 25 rand. This is the whole box. And this one is 50 rand, which is the big candle. This candle is not, I think you can also using, but yeah, you can using for that. This is 50 rand, 4 pieces inside, 1 2 3 4. This one also 50 rand. I got gold and silver color is available, guys. This 3 color is available, 50 rand, 4 pieces, guys. This is the small one which is can using from this candle, is 35 rand, 4 pieces available. So I got silver, I got rose gold color, gold and white. This is another one is available. I'll just show, I say come display this one here. I'm just show you now another one which is a cheaper one, which is we making in here in South Africa, guys. So this one I didn't remove the plastic because it's the new. If you need this one, if you need this one, is only 100 rand, guys. So if you want this one, or if you need this 3 pieces, any one you wanted, let me know in the comments. So this one is 100 rand, guys. And this is the 3 pieces which is I show you. This one is for 203 pieces, guys. I got black and gold color is available, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you like that candle, guys. If you like the black color or if you need the gold color, guys, let me know in the comments, guys. Or if you need only just candle, then also let me know, guys. And if you need the cheaper one, which is I was telling you for 100 rand, you can also let me know in the comments, guys. I hope you like this video, guys. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. You can get the cheaper prices on this YouTube channel, Hero Wedding Deco, guys. If you need any pictures or any price, you can follow me in Instagram. I'm uploaded the new pictures, new stuff, so you can just follow me on Facebook page or Instagram. You can see the prices and picture on Instagram, guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much. We'll see you to next video on soon, guys. Bye bye.